Hi, welcome to the KioskForce YouTube channel. Today I'll walk you through how to replace the front door glass on a KioskForce vending machine. We will need a socket wrench, a screwdriver, a pair of scissors, and a rubber hammer. It's recommended to have 2 people for this task. First, we need to take off the machine door. Start by locating and removing the small cover plate in the upper left corner. Take out the sealing putty inside. This will reveal the hidden nut. Remove this nut along with the one in the door frame corner. Then take off the remaining screw on the top. Pull out the small metal plate with 3 screws and lay the door flat on the ground. This is not one-man job. Please make sure there is someone help you hold the door when you are loosening the nut. Be careful not to pull or damage any wiring connected to the door frame. Next, remove the screen. Start by removing the screen back cover. Detach the antenna and unplug all connectors from the Android board. Remove the 3 metal plates that hold the screen in place. Now remove the glass. Begin by removing the 2 flaps above the delivery bin. Take off the sealing strip around the door frame, then remove the screws on the side. Remove the metal trim below the delivery bin. Cut the cable tie securing the wiring and disassemble these 2 connectors. Remove the 2 metal trims from the top and bottom of the door. Use a rubber hammer to carefully remove the side trim. Then take off the glass. Place a new glass panel into the door frame. Plug in the 2 connectors. Secure the metal trim below the delivery bin. Reinstall the side trims and tighten all screws around the frame. Install the sealing strip, pressing it by hand to ensure a proper seal. Reattach the 2 flaps above the delivery bin. Reconnect the network cable, QR code scanner cable, and power supply cable to the Android board. Replace the back cover and secure it with screws. Then install the top, bottom, and side metal plates to fix the screen in place. Finally, reattach the antenna. Lift the door into place. Tighten the 3 screws at the top to secure it. Thanks for your watching.